Hello everyone, and welcome to the 7th episode of our web series Live My Life with BMC Helix. Today we are going to meet Ian, Project Manager, and Alan, Change Manager.
Ian is an IT project manager. He is not part of the change management team, but as part of his projects he sometimes submits requests to obtain a database, or update a server. The old change request tool was very complicated to use, and he can't wait to use the new intuitive Helix interface.
Alan is a change manager. He coordinates and validates the planning of changes, he monitors their progress, follows approvals, and also performs impact analysis. He is the key person in the change management process in his company.
In summary, Ian is pleased that the old complex tool will be replaced by Helix ITSM, which will make it easier for casual users like him to create changes.
Alan is happy that all the contextual information of a change is finally centralized in the same solution. This will greatly simplify his impact analysis and the detection of collisions with other changes.
Ian is responsible for a project to update a business application based on servers hosted on a public cloud. One of his technical experts tells him that it is necessary to improve the performance of one of these servers. Ian connects to Helix ITSM and creates a change request so that this modification is implemented. Ian can create a change from a blank page, or by using a template that will pre-fill certain fields. This method avoids input errors and immediately obtains the correct assignments and approvals. Ian searches the CMDB for the server to be updated, and links it to the change. Then, Ian plans his change on the calendar. He is warned of collisions with other changes already planned. In the next step, Ian assesses the risk of implementing this change, which can be done through a simple set of questions. As a final step, Ian can add attachments to his change.
Now Alan is in charge of the change. He starts an impact analysis and then studies the collisions detected. Alan checks and chooses to ignore the collisions. Let's go to impact analysis. This was done automatically from the relationships between the elements stored in the CMDB, such as the server application relationships. Alan can see if the updating of the server is impacting other applications, and then link all the affected elements to the change.
Helix ITSM will change the change management within the IT department. Not everyone who finds the need for a change is a Helix ITSM specialist. But by using the wizard, they can now create these changes very quickly. Change managers will also be more efficient thanks to CMDB database automatic impact analysis and collision detection. This will therefore lead to fewer mistakes and less unplanned downtime. These can be costly, especially when they violate SLAs. Finally, this better control of changes made to the infrastructure will reduce the number of incidents to be handled by support, and the number of calls from affected users.